Welcome to Raji's Creative Studio. Let's get creative. So let's start with this decoration. For this we would need square pieces of 4 inches. We would fold this square pieces 3 times. The reason why we are folding these square pieces is we would use this folded lines as a guideline for making a fan shape so that our fan looks neat and proportionate. Once we have folded it into a fan shape, we will then fold it into half. We will then glue the inside of the folded fan so that we get this V-shaped structure. So now let's stick each of this V-shaped fan to each other. The way we are going to stick each of this fan is the corners of this fan will be on the opposite side so that we get a wavy shape. Let's stick all of these pieces together. And our decoration is ready. For this decoration, we would need heart-shaped pieces from A4 sheets. I am using a template already cut out to make this heart shape. We would need 4 of these sheets to make a piece for the decoration. So let's cut it out. Once we are done, we would fold each of this heart shape into half. Once we have folded all of these pieces into half, we will glue one side of the folded piece to another folded piece. We will continue doing this till we reach the last folded area. Before we glue this folded area, we are going to insert the string which we will be using for hanging our decoration. So let's do that. I will apply glue inside of this piece, place the string and then hang it off. So let's hang all the other pieces that we have made. You can use different colors for one particular piece, or you can make a piece with the same color and use different colors in your decoration. So the second decoration is also ready. For making this decoration, I am using a 5-inch piece. You can use a A4 sheet as well. I am using a marble paper out here. From the folded side, you need to fold one corner and make this cross mark. Using this cross as the guideline, we will take the other folded corner and match it up with this cross. Fold the line across. Once we have done that, we will again fold this corner back to the folded line. Now let's take the other side of the folded corner towards this line and fold it up. Once we have made these 3 folds, we fold it backwards, press it across. So you should see 3 folded edges. When you open up, 3 folded edges. So that will be the center of the star. The 3 folded side will form the longer edge of the star and the other side will be the shorter edge. So we need to draw a slanting line from the 3 folded side towards the other side, this way. Once we have done that, we will cut it across the line that we have drawn and our star is ready. Now let's give it a little bit shape to make it more beautiful. It will have an embossed look. Doesn't it look beautiful? This is one of the most simplest yet beautiful decoration that we can make. We need circles cut out from A4 sheets. It can be 7 to 8 inches circle. On this circle, let's draw out a spiral shape. This will be used as a guideline for our cutting purpose. Check out the spiral that is shown in the corner of this video. So make a line like that. Once you are done, just cut it over the drawn spiral lines. And here our decoration is ready. You can hang it anywhere from the top of the ceiling, on the fan. It looks very beautiful. For this decoration, we would need 1 inch strip from A4 sheets. So let's cut out 1 inch strip from A4 sheets. Per sheet will give you 12 pieces. You can use all of them or you can use only 6 of them. I found 6 strips more beautiful. And for this as well, you can use different color strips to give it a more colorful flower shape. So once we have done cutting 1 inch strip, we will staple it together. How much ever strips that you want for your flower, we will staple it together at the folded point. Then put little glue on the folded line and pick up the edge of the strip and glue it to the middle. Keep doing that till you reach the end. And our flower is ready. Let's hang it up. For this decoration, we would again need A4 size sheet. I've taken a 12 inch by 6 inch piece. I'll be making a fan shade structure out of this. So for this, I'm folding this paper. Once you have done that, let's open it up and make the fan shape. Always fold the sheets before you make the fan shape, so that you can use those folded lines as a guideline and your fan looks neat and pretty. So let's fold it up. Once we have folded this, I will be cutting the edges in a slanting manner on either side. This will give a beautiful shape to the outer edge of the flower that we are creating. Once we have done that, let's fold this piece into half and stick that side of the pan. I'm using a paper clip to hold it up. While it's getting glued together, let's fold the other side and glue it up, and our decoration is ready. To make it more beautiful, I've used a round piece from a tissue paper and I'll stick this to the center. I've made one more with dual color A4 sheets. I've taken the full size A4 sheet and made this fan. For this decoration, we will need 6 circles from an A4 sheet. I've used this 3-inch lead as a guideline for cutting out the circles. Once we have cut out all our circles, we need to fold this into a semicircle and just pinch it in the middle of the folded side. Do not press it all across, only give it a little pinch. Once we have done that, we need to fold it again and make a quarter circle. This fold, we need to press it nicely and neatly. We will repeat this process for all the circles. Once we have folded all our circles into quarter circles, let's open up. And we need to glue the inside of the quarter circle, the edges of the quarter circle, but not throughout, only halfway. So let's glue the edges of the quarter circle halfway and glue it together. Let's do it for one more. We will open up the quarter circles and glue the edge of the quarter circle halfway through and glue it to each other. So once we have done that, we will leave it off for drying. While they are drying, let's make the handle of the umbrella. For this, I've used a square stick. I will need a strip of A4 sheet for making the base of the handle and the top of the handle, and a thread for hanging. I've used a normal stitching thread. So let's tie a thread to the one end for the hanging purpose. Once the thread is attached, we will glue a A4 sheet to give it that beautiful top look. And the other end, we will again glue a strip of A4 sheet to make a handle of it. Once we have done that, we will leave this aside for drying. Now, we need to attach each of these quarter circles to each other. So let's do that. We will glue all the sides of the quarter circle except leaving for one side. The reason is we need to insert our handle, the umbrella handle, before we glue the final side. So let's put the handle of the umbrella inside and glue it across. And our beautiful umbrella is ready for hanging. It looks really beautiful when you hang it from the top. Hope you will try all of these decorations. No parties are complete without decoration. So I hope you will try this out. If you have liked this video, do subscribe and give it a thumbs up.